What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna have a bunch of different stuff in this video as always. A couple cars we worked on, some of the stuff going on in the shop, and also we're gonna show you how we made these right here. So if you wanna know about these decks, watch the end of the video. I'm also gonna give one away. So just watch throughout the video. We'll show you the process on how we made them and how you can win them. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and don't forget to comment below, subscribe, like, share, tweet, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching.
Our premium fam, so this right here might be an upcoming project. Right now Mitch is talking with them and do some research on the car, see what he wants to do, but this Maserati looks clean.
Appreciate it, sir. Nice to meet you. All right, have a good day, man. You too. Thank you.
Mitch, what's going on right now?
Nothing, bro. You're not my face.
We need someone who's not only here to rap and disassemble, we need someone who's ready for the YouTube channel. Alright?
We need a leader, Mitch.
Be your leader! Alright, what's going on, Mitch? You can tell me what's going on. Hurry up. I don't want to film your ass like you don't want to talk. Let's go.
What's up, guys? So as you guys know, our biggest thing in the shop is full color change wraps and stuff like that. One of the things we lack is printed work, and so we're trying to get more into that in 2018. So right here, what we got is the start. So right now what we're doing is doing printed skate decks. So we have all kinds of different designs for our skate decks. We got premium logos, different camo patterns, stuff like that. All kinds of just different designs. This one's my favorite.
That one's dope right there. It's like a wood camo looking thingamajigger bobber.
So yeah, just a bunch of different designs. So we'll be releasing those skate decks pretty soon, so stay tuned for those. And on top of all of that, the other thing that we're going to be doing is full printed banners. So this is an example of the full printed banner. We sell a lot, like our best selling item on the website is our banners, and so now we're taking it to the print world. So you guys are gonna have a bunch of cool camos and different designs for those as well, and we will keep you updated on when they're gonna be dropping. All right, guys, and so Johnnee is going to model all of the different skate decks for us now. So let us know which one you'd like to see on a banner and which one's your favorite design out of all of them. Cycle through them, Johnnee.
Right there. That's all the orders that we've completed so far. Get about like, you know, a couple thousand a day. You know, not big. Not stressing.
I can need it, bro. It's so hard, send help.
Okay, so the plan is to knock this one out today, get most of it done. We have Dustin's project over there. It's been taken apart and it's prepped. We're waiting on the material to arrive from 3M. So 3M is sending the material for this car. Let me point it out real quick just so you see it. Our last vlog, we talked about Dustin Williams' car and how we're wrapping it and all that. 3M hopped on as a sponsor. So super thankful for that. Thank you, 3M. Material's on its way. So we're gonna start this one in a couple days when that material arrives. But onto this one over here, also a 3M color. We're gonna be doing this in 3M Gloss Boat Blue, which is a dark royal blue gloss paint-like finish. So I'm really excited to see what that looks like. If you look at the car now, all different colors, all the panels are different. It's cut up, it's wide body. When this thing is done, it's gonna look totally different. So I'm excited to show you guys what that looks like. I think there's massive potential here. If you look at the car now, it doesn't look like much. Has a dope ass set of wheels on it. Nifty built, the owner of the car built those wheels. I'm pumped on them. I think they look sick. Let's get into the wrap. We'll show you the process, but I can rant all day. I can yap all day. No work's getting done. So let's get to work.
What?
It's not cut through yet. I got caught on a
mid blowout.
It's a partial blowout. I'm hoping this thing doesn't explode.
How many weeks has it been?
How long have I been using the glove?
Yeah.
Oh.
How long has it been since you had a blowout?
Okay, that's a personal question, John.
When was the last time you had a blowout?
Whoa, John, take a step back. Never mind, just cut that.
Don't answer my question.
I'm not going to.
Material, we use a lot of it here. With some colors, you see this kind of texture in the material. It's like a haze. A lot of times people assume that it looks like crap and it's gonna always be like that. And it's not. You know, you have to post-heat this material. Anytime you're wrapping a car, post-heating is really important, and most people forget about doing that. A lot of people aren't doing it. When you see these cars that are wrapped and the materials have the streaking in the material that 3M has right now, it also lets you know that they probably didn't post-heat the material properly. So I wanna go over that and I wanna show you guys. But first and foremost, let's talk about post-heating and what that is. Post-heating is the process of heating the material up after the wrap hence post, and you need to get it up to a certain temperature. And depending on the material that you're using dictates how hot that material needs to be. In the case of 3M, I believe, if I remember correctly, it's 180 degrees that needs to be heated up to. So what we do is we heat it up with the heat gun or the torch and using a thermometer to identify the heat. Being in the wrap shop for the last couple years, it's been pretty easy to start narrowing it down and not need to use a thermometer as much. We use that on bumpers where it's really heavy in complexity to make sure that everything's properly 110% post-heated. It's a good rule of thumb if you're wrapping cars, make sure that you are post-heating everything. And like I said, when it comes to these flat panels where post-heating is not as important, because post-heating is very, very, very important on complex areas, but flat panels, it's just as important, but it's not as necessary. But when it comes to the 3M material and having some of the texture that it does have, the heat will actually take that away. And I want to show you guys that real quick. It's really hard to get it. It's more of an in-person type of thing. So when I go in and heat this, we want to stay off the carbon fiber, so we want to direct it more toward just the vinyl. You'll see that it begins to go away and gloss out. Did you see how it cleaned up? So it's better, worse. I mean, I guess this is something you really need to see in person. You guys gotta believe me and trust me when I tell you this. That material, you do need to heat it out. You do need to post-heat all of the film to get all that texture out. I'm not sure what the proper term is for it. I believe it's called malting or something along that line. I guess I should have asked some questions before I got into this, but whatever. You know, like I said, I'm always just trying to do my best to educate you guys and tell you what I know. 3M material of all the brands does have a little bit of that in it, and it doesn't affect the quality of the material. The finish of it during installation might look a little worse, but once you do the proper steps, it's just as good as any other film and looks sometimes better in most cases. Their gloss is very nice. What we have here is skate decks. With our business, and I think all of us here in the shop could probably say this, we grew up on BMX and skateboarding and then fell into the car industry, and it all just worked out. Being in the position that we are and the things that we're doing, I love to intertwine those worlds. Bringing in skateboards, kind of just natural for me. I wanted to wrap some skate decks, put these up on display in the shop, and maybe one day make them available. You know, if people like them, we'll make them available on the website. I'd like to do these in like limited runs. If I could, I'd make 10 of these, you know what I mean? And just so on. So if people that really wanted them to have on art display or even skate them, you know, they're limited decks. I just thought it was a cool concept. Mitch and I have been talking about this for years, and we're finally implementing a lot of print work into our business. Let's do this. Let's wrap some decks. All right, guys, you guys made it to the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all that good stuff. And a couple of you guys sure are wondering about how you win the skate deck, because you watched the intro. I said we're gonna be giving away one in this video. So yeah, you can win this deck right here. This is our premium auto styling tiger camo wrapped by myself, and I want one of you guys to have it. So all you gotta do is go to the description below. All of my staff Instagrams are located down there. Go follow them. If you follow everybody and comment Premium Fam on their post, it increases your chance of winning. You can just follow El Jefe. It's up to you. If you don't want to, you know, if you don't want to win this that bad, but you want to try, just follow one. If you want to really, really win it, follow everybody. Comment Premium Fam on their profile. We're gonna pick one winner. Ship this out tomorrow. I'll pick a winner tomorrow. Cool? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the daily vlogs. I think you guys are starting to get a better understanding of what goes on here at the shop. We work on a lot of different types of cars. Previously, when you were watching videos before, we were being selective with the cars that we were showing you, things that we thought you would like, and now we're just showing you everything. So from Dodge Challengers to 350Zs up to, I got a couple trucks coming in. So you're gonna see all the trucks coming in, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. We're enjoying bringing the content to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.